This is Dr. Kshipra Wadikar. Subject is Engineering Mathematics. Topic is Bisection Method. We will discuss what is a bisection method and then we will discuss one problem on bisection method. Let's have a look on bisection method. So fx is a continuous function defined on interval, closed interval a to b. It is defined in such a way that f of a and f of b are of opposite signs. What does it mean? If f of a is greater than 0, then f of b is less than 0. Otherwise, if f of b is greater than 0, then f of a is less than 0. If it is so, then the root of the equation fx equal to 0 lies between a and b. Using bisection method, our aim is to find out the root of fx equal to 0 which lies between a and b. Okay. So, for a definiteness, we assume that f of a is less than 0 and f of b is greater than 0. Bisection method is used to find the root of fx equal to 0 that lies between a and b up to the desired accuracy. The procedure is mentioned as below. Under these conditions, the first iteration, let it be x1 and it is given by a plus b by 2. Okay. What are a and b? Fx is a function, continuous function defined on the interval a and b. So we consider the sum of endpoints and divide it by 2. That is our first iteration. If f of x1 equal to 0, we are very lucky, then x1 is the root of fx. Okay. If f of x1 is greater than 0, then root lies between a and x1. Our assumption is that f of a is less than 0. So if f of x1 is greater than 0, then root will lie in the interval a and a to x1 instead of the interval a to b. If f of x is less than 0, then root will lie between x1 and b. As f of b is greater than 0, the root will be now very much closer. It will lie between x1 and b. Bisect the interval in which the root lies and continue the procedure until the root is found to the desired accuracy. We repeat this procedure again and again till we get the root up to the desired accuracy. This is the way we are bisecting the interval. Okay. So if epsilon is the permissible error, then the approximate number of iterations that required can be determined by the formula b minus a divided by 2 to the power n less than or equal to epsilon, or the number of iterations are greater than or equal to log of b minus a minus log of epsilon by log of 2. Let's move further. Note the convergence of bisection method is very slow. Note that the convergence of bisection method is very slow. Using the bisection method, we want to find out the root of x cube minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0 lying in the interval 1 to 2. And we will do this procedure till third iteration. Furthermore, we will find out how many iterations are required if the permissible error epsilon is 0.0005. So start with fx equal to x cube minus 3x plus 1. Our interval is 1 to 2. F of 1 is minus 1, that is less than 0. F of b is f of 2 that is greater than 0. So fx has a root between 1 and 2. So the first iteration is x1 equal to a plus b by 2, that we will get 1.5. f of x1 that is minus 0.125. So now root will lie between 1.5 and 2. We have bisected the interval 1 to 2. So root will now lie between 1.5 to 2. Okay. As f of 1.5 is less than 0, the root will lie between 1.5 and 2. Let us calculate x2. x2 is 1.75 and f of x2 is calculated over here. Now a is 1.5, b is 1.75. Let's calculate x3. x3 is 1.625. So the number of iterations required, n, is calculated by this formula. N equal to 11. So 11 iterations are required. N is greater equal 11. Thank you.